Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So a big announcement is here today. SEBI Grade A 2020 final results have been announced by SEBI. Right, so today on 2nd of July 2021, this list has been released by SEBI of the selected candidates. So please visit the SEBI website. There under the careers tab, you can find this list. Under results, you can find this list of the roll numbers with the selected candidates. Please do find it out if your roll number is there, right? And I would like to congratulate to all the selected candidates. This is has been a very, I would say, patience journey, full of patience, because the recruitment process started in 2020 in the COVID times, in the pandemic. Students kept on preparing, they did not lose hope. And of course, I would like to mention here that SEBI has done a really wonderful job. In the last 2 months, they just started this process. They conducted the paper phase 2, and then they conducted interviews, and in such a quick manner they have released the list of the candidates. So again, kudos to the students who have been selected, and a good job by SEBI also, right? I would request you to drop us a mail at deepak@edutab.co.in sharing your results with us, okay? And I would just like to show you the list also, guys, once here. Let's see this list. Yes, this is the list, my dear friends. You see, so 80 candidates have been selected in the general stream. There were 80 seats, 80 students have been selected. Similarly, there have been selections in legal stream. You see, 34 students have been selected here, IT stream 20, engineering stream, and yes, research stream, official language stream. So this PDF is there. I would suggest you to download this PDF and check for your result, right? So thank you so much. Please drop us a mail at deepak@edutab.co.in reminding all of you again. One more thing, yes, I would like to share here before I leave, guys, because this process has been taken off so smoothly by SEBI. So as per our information, as per our expectation, the joining of these students are going to be very soon. Probably in the month of June, in the month of July itself, the students are going to join. So just be ready, okay? And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your precious time. Do drop us a mail, and at deepak@edutab.co.in. Enjoy your day. And guys, one more thing, if you could not get selected, please do not be disheartened. That's completely okay. You have reached to such a good stage. This preparation is gonna help you. Just keep yourself motivated, keep yourself up, if for any means you could not make out this time, right? Thank you. Congratulations to the selected candidates from our entire team of EduTap. That's it, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.